Well, welcome back to part 2 or episode 2 of Strength Coach Tutorials. For this episode, we're going to use Microsoft Excel again to create a simple functional movement screen dashboard. We're going to do this using conditional formatting. And if you look at the bottom here, this is the effect we're going to be going for with the numbers being highlighted in different colors and a score at the end out of 21. As we know, the functional movement screen is scored out of 21. And we want this to all happen automatically. So I've set up a table here and we're going to fill this out as we go along. We're going to enter in athlete names. 1, athlete 2, athlete 3. It doesn't really matter how we do that. We know that the functional movement screen is scored out of 3. So we're going to use the same trick we did before to limit the amount of things that can be inputted into a cell using data validation. This time we don't have a named range, so we're going to just input the values. So you do that with a comma. So we're going to go 0, 1, 2, or 3. So now when we close this, any box, we should be able to select 0, 1, 2, or 3 for the scores for the functional movement screen. Okay, so that's good. Now we have to make it so that it automatically highlights a color whenever we select that number. So what we're going to do for that is use what we call conditional formatting. So select all of the cells, go home, conditional formatting, and we're going to make a new rule. We're going to use a scale, but we're going to use a 3-color scale. So the first thing we're going to use is a number. We're going to use the number 0, and we're going to make that a red. Then we're going to use the middle number, which is a 2, and we can make that a yellow. And then the highest value possible is a 3, and we're going to make that a nice green to show a healthy color. So we got a stoplight type formation there, and then we'll hit OK. So then all of these cells, we can now select 0, 1, 2, or 3. And as we select them, we're going to see that the cells all highlight in the different colors automatically for us. Then the final piece of the puzzle is the scoring box, and we're going to do that with a formula. So if we go up, select the cell, go up into the formula box, we're going to use the formula sum, which is going to total up all the values, and then we select the boxes that we want to total up. So the first row, so we go sum, and then we're going to use an and. So the and allows us to put 2 different things in the box at the same time. And what we want is, we know the scores out of 21, so we'll put it in brackets. We'll put a backslash, and then the score 21, and close the brackets. So now we have a score out of 21, and if we update this down, sorry, just dragged the wrong thing. If we update this down, it'll fill in all the boxes. I'm just going to delete the inside borders to make it come back to life here for us. Then I'll put that back in. But now what we should have is a score box here, and as we select the scores for the athletes, you can see that it automatically updates here on the right side. So this is how you would create a simple FMS scoring sheet if you wanted to track many athletes. If you like this video, leave a like and comment below, and let me know in the comments section what kind of other videos you're looking for. I'm always trying to get ideas for you guys. Thanks.